Crime wave hit local pharmacies overnight. 4 were break-ins, apparently all by the same crooks. KCAL 9 Orange County reporter Michele Gile says the crimes are part of a growing trend.
This pharmacy behind me is one of 4 hit by a crew of burglars who began their work around midnight and went from city to city in Orange County. In Garden Grove, this is security video of the burglary at Ann Pharmacy on Westminster Avenue. Suspects in hoodies used a blowtorch to crack the lock on the metal gate, get inside and steal more than a dozen bottles of expensive cough syrup. Around 2 a.m. in Villa Park, sheriff's deputies got to the pharmacy after the burglars got away, but security tape there shows 5 men inside. The next pharmacy hit was on Newport Avenue in Tustin. That break-in was an attempt around 2:45 a.m. Nothing appears to have been taken there. And back here in Anaheim, burglars used a piece of cement to smash the front window. Police say a small amount of money and prescription drugs were stolen. 2 getaway cars were seen at one pharmacy, that being a Mustang and an SUV. No one so far has been caught, and the experts say that the street value of that cough syrup that was taken is about $1,000 per bottle. In Anaheim, Michele Gile, KCAL 9 News.